Our valued customer, hello and welcome to BI Detectors in Dubai. We have today a special device combined between the ability of detecting gold nuggets and the ability of detecting gold and treasures underground. We are talking about QZ80 from the German company Vogel. The device works with very low frequency technology and can detect gold nuggets, buried treasures underground. Also, the device has the ability to distinguish between type of minerals. Now if we turn on the device, we will see two icons, the setting icon and the search. Now we will enter to the setting. We will see option to adjust the audio, adjustment for the opacity of the screen. Also we will see 6 options for the language and the factory reset. Now we will go to the back and enter to the search options. We will see the search setting. If we enter to the search setting, we can see the ability of cancelling the iron. We will see the sensitivity of the device and we will see the gain of the device. Now we will go to the search modes. We will see 4 search modes: the general search, the treasure search, and coins or nuggets search, and also the depth mode. And for the calibration, we have a special button. If we press on this button, the device starts to calibrate. And now we will wait to the device until finishing the calibrate and we will start the search using the device. The first search mode we will test is the general search mode. This mode has the ability to detect all type of minerals and distinguish between them. Are they precious mineral or not? Now we will test this system by passing a piece of iron in front of coil of the device. We will see at the screen that the device detects a non-precious mineral. And now passing a piece of gold in front of the coil, we will see at the screen that the device detects a precious mineral. The second search mode in the device is the treasures search mode. Using this search mode, we have the ability to detect all type of minerals and distinguish between them. So now if we pass a piece of iron behind the coil of the device will show us at the screen that we have detected a non-precious mineral. Now if we pass a piece of gold behind the coil of the device will tell us that we detect a gold and show us at the screen that we are detecting a gold. And now we will pass a piece of copper. The device will show us that we are detecting a precious mineral. Now the third search mode is coins and nuggets search mode. We will test this system or this mode by passing a silver coin behind the coil of the device. We will see that the device gives us special alarm and show us at the screen the numbers of the silver. Now we will pass a piece of iron behind the coil of the device. The device gives us special alarm and show us at the screen numbers represent the iron. And last but not the least, we will pass a piece of gold behind the coil of the device. The device gives us a special alarm for the gold and show us at the screen numbers represent the gold. What makes this system special is the ability of cancelling the undesirable minerals. So now we cancel all type of minerals and keep the device only at the gold. We will test this system by passing a silver coin in front of the coil so the device not give me any result. Now we will test the mode by passing a piece of iron. The device also not show any results. Now we will pass at the end a piece of gold. The device give me the special alarm of the gold and show me the representative numbers of the gold at the screen. Other special function at this device is the pinpointer mode. This mode helps us to determine the exact point of the target and the exact point of the digging. So now we will test this mode by passing this piece of gold behind the coil of the device, and now we will see that when this piece of gold became closer to the coil, the device became louder by the alarm. The last search mode at the device is the depth search mode. To use this search mode, we will measure the distance of the target and enter it at the device. Let's suppose it's 30 centimeters and we will press OK. The device tells us that the depth of the target is 1 meter and 5 centimeters underground. That's all for our video today. You can contact with us at the numbers in the comments. Thank you and see you again with the next videos.